How to disable iPhone screenshot sound easily. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can go ahead and use the mute switch on your iPhone in order to disable the screenshot sound. So on the left side of your screen, go ahead and locate the ring or silent switch on the left side and then flip it to silent, that is orange in color. Now go ahead and take the screenshot, and with this, no sound will play. This is the easiest way and works immediately, as iPhone does not have a feature to completely disable the screenshot sound. The next way is you can also simply lower your volume before you take a screenshot. So put your volume to 0 while taking the screenshot, and the screenshot sound will not play. So these were two ways on how you can disable iPhone screenshot sound. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.